If your ductless mini-split is icing up, it's essential to address the issue promptly to avoid further damage and ensure your system operates efficiently. Common symptoms include reduced airflow, increased energy bills, or visible ice buildup on the refrigerant lines or indoor coil. The most common causes include low refrigerant levels, dirty air filters, malfunctioning thermostats, or improper system installation. As a homeowner, you can safely check your air filters, ensure proper thermostat settings, and inspect the system for any blockages or damage. However, avoid handling refrigerant, opening sealed systems, or working on live electrical circuits, as these tasks require professional expertise and safety precautions. A qualified technician will inspect the system, check refrigerant levels, and perform tests to identify the root cause of the problem. They will then repair or replace faulty components, recharge refrigerant if necessary, and ensure the system is properly installed and configured. To prevent icing issues, regularly clean air filters, inspect the system, and schedule annual maintenance with a qualified technician.